and the chink let us use his phone.
He let us use it!
At Chevron.
At Chevron! I can't hold this high enough.
We had to bribe him with $1 to let
But
us
we didn't pay him $1. We never paid him the $1.
That son of a bitch off. He deserved it.
He deserved it. He didn't even speak English to us, and we deserve to speak English because we're English.
Yeah.
There's someone across the street. Hi. Sorry, Sarah. That's Sarah.
I think we forget sometimes that I know people here.
Yeah, I didn't remember that Sarah lives in Pitt, so there's a sky crane up there.
A sky crane.
Whatever the fuck it's called. A crane. But it's high up. I wish we were up there right now drinking.
Let's go. Motherfucker. No, I'm kidding. That, like, area is, like, big, like, video surveillance.
Oh, I know. Hi.
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 Meow. Make a cat noise. Meow. Make a dog noise. Make a sheep noise. The fuck?
Make a snake noise.
That sounds like a peeing.
Sounds like a fucking giant
Say
load.
goodbye.
Hi.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.